market ng for their use talaga ito. So, again, ayan. So, appreciate you all for being here today. Despite this is a Sunday and of course it's a holy day for the Lord and usually family day, no? But of course our business is open 24 hours, so we still have a lot to catch up in terms of learning, especially sa mga bago. Ayan, I think I'm seeing some new faces here, di ba? Hi Selena, thank you for opening your cam. Ayan, so guys, let's load up on learnings with our company, with nutrition, cellular nutrition, and with our products. So let me call our speaker for tonight. She is a BS Chemistry graduate from UP Diliman and a cum laude. So guys, talagang pagdating sa product knowledge, this person is really one of the authority, kumbaga. Okay? And she's top 2 sa chemistry licensure exam. Grabe, parang nahiya po ako doon. Sobrang, parang feeling ko yung IQ level ni Doc, sobrang taas talaga eh, okay? And a PhD in chemistry. So she took her PhD at University of Florida. She's a former manager, R&D lab sa isang pharma company, and a biochemistry and molecular former head as well. She's a biology department, College of Medicine researcher on herbal medicine, and a lab director, nutrient clinical laboratory, and also a professor in biochemistry at the College of Medicine. Ayan, so without further ado, guys, let us welcome sa chat box our speaker for today, for today's talk, no, health talk about your health begins in your cells. Hi, Doc Chari, welcome to Core Edge Sunday Health Talk po.
Hi, Doc.
Ayan. Okay, you are tagged as a co-host na Doc Chari. Thank you so much. Ayun.
Hello.
Thank you, Doc Chari. Hello po.
Wala kang boses kanina. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for inviting me tonight. Thank you so much, Mentor Dennis. Nakikisali ang aking dog. Anyway, thank you, Coach. Coach Lara, for that very thoughtful introduction. Pag si Mentor Dennis talaga ang nag-request sa akin, di ako makahindi eh. So, thank you so much. And grabe, it's Sunday night and we are all here together to learn, di ba? Are you excited? Ako excited ako. Okay, so I'm always excited to teach about health. So let me start by sharing my screen. So before I start, hello lang ako sa mga nasa Pilipinas, no? And congratulations to our gold medalist si Yulo, and also hello sa ating mga fellow Filipinos na nasa abroad. Grabe, anong oras na sa inyo? Ang sipag-sipag naman natin. Ayusin ko lang aking slides. Ayan. Okay na ba slides ko? Coach Lyra?
Yes, Doc. We can see na po.
Okay. So para naman ganahan ako. Okay. Sino sa inyo excited? Can you please type excited sa chat box? Nga natin kung excited na ang lahat. Wow! Okay. And sino sa inyo ang first time akong marinig? Can you please type 1 sa chat box? Hello, Sir Joseph, Miss Selena, Miss Emma. Okay. Wow, marami pala sa ating mga kasama ngayon. First time akong marinig. So, I'm excited. I'm really excited to share what I know for our health. So, sabi nga kanina, I'm Doc Chari De Silva. Currently, I'm a professor and researcher from St. Luke's. And I am a chemist by profession. I have a PhD in chemistry from University of Florida. And then, naging manager din ako sa biggest pharma company in our country. My role in that pharma company is to assure the quality of the pharmaceutical products na nalo-launch sa market. And after pharma, I decided to teach. No, I became the head of the Department of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology in 2000, 2007. Malalaman nyo na age ko. 2007. And then, while in St. Luke's, I was also doing research. I have been doing research until now. And in 2016, I was assigned to do a project, the first nutrient testing facility in Asia. Okay. So, mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo. And I was the lab director. So, we put up the laboratory. And then, 2020, I joined USANA. So here's okay. So in USANA, I'm currently a gold director. So sino sa inyo dito ang partner ng USANA? So I encourage you to really do this business. So anyway, bakit ba kailangan nating gawin ang business na to? Para sa akin, it's more of sharing the health benefits that we can achieve with our USANA products. So why am I a health and wellness advocate? I am already a widow. My late husband was a doctor. So he died in 2010, internal medicine by profession. A really young, good-looking, 40 years old internal medical doctor that time. Ang dami po niyang pasyente. Pero minsan, di ba, sa sobrang busy natin, nakakalimutan natin ang health natin. So, sino sa inyo ang sobrang busy ngayon, tapos biglang nagkasakit tayo, na-realize natin how important health is to us, di ba? So, in the case of my late husband, one time, big time yung kanyang heart attack. That was October of 2010. And because of that, sabi ko, grabe pala impact, no? Pag may mawala na mahal mo sa buhay, marami tayong realization. So for me, I channeled my sadness and the grief into a more positive approach by telling myself that I should be doing something for myself and for my family. Ano bang pwedeng gawin for the health? So I became a health and wellness advocate. So I was researching on what can we do in order to keep ourselves and our family healthy. So this is my son. He is already 23 years old now and first year medicine student sa UERM. So, nga, family of doctors po. And so I am a graduate of University of the Philippines. I graduated in 1990 and then nag-teach po ako ng chemistry, after which I did my PhD for 5 years in University of Florida. So hindi po kami mayaman. I had a scholarship. I am actually very fortunate kasi since high school to my PhD, may scholarship po ako. So ganyan po talaga tayo pag masipag, di ba? Kasi alam natin ang pinagdaanan ng isang tao, lalo na kung mahirap lang po yung status sa una. So talagang nag-aaral po ako mabuti para magkaroon ng scholarship. So these are my teammates. So ewan ko kung nakikita nyo yung aking pen. Ayan, nakikita pa yung laser pointer.
Yes, Doc.
Yes, Doc.
Okay, so this is my research team, and ito ang boss namin, si Dr. Robert Kennedy. And alam nyo ba, guess what? Ano yung research namin nung nasa University of Florida ako? Our research was all about cells. So that time, we were studying cells, kung paano nagre-release ng hormones yung mga cells. So paano nagre-release ng insulin, adrenaline, may iba-ibang type of hormones. So that was our study. So ito yung setup ko nung nasa University of Florida ako. So during this time, okay, I've realized already that we need to add optimum nutrients to keep the cells alive. So ang cells po natin, that's the smallest unit ng body natin na buhay. Okay? So if you put the cells into this petri dish na merong liquid na yan, kailangan punong-puno po yan ng nutrients. Otherwise, if mali yung recipe na paggawa mo ng culture media na yan ang tawag namin, that liquid. If you have an error in the recipe, you don't put the right amount and balanced nutrients, you know what will happen? The cells will die. So, grabe no, tama pala ang sinabi ng ating founder ng USANA, si Dr. Myron Wentz, that if you just keep the right amount of nutrients into the cells, you can keep the cells alive for a long period of time. So, si Dr. Myron Wentz, nakita na niya, na-research na niya ano ang balanse, ano yung optimum amount, ano yung balance amount. So nung time ko, hindi pa namin alam. So, our cells would only live for about 1 week dito sa medium na yan. Kasi hindi pa siya yung optimum. But we were providing nutrients to keep the cells alive. And we studied the cells under the microscope. So, we look at the cells kung gaano katagal, mabuhay, kung anong magti-trigger sa kanila to release hormones and so on. So, it is true that all research in medicine start with cells kasi nga the cells is the smallest entity. If we take good care of our cells, we are also taking good care of our body. And while in St. Luke, so di ba nga bumalik ako sa Philippines and then I worked for a pharma, and after 9 years in the corporate world, I decided to teach in academe, in a medical school of St. Luke's. And while in the medical school, I also did research. Kasi nga noong 2010 when my husband died, sabi ko I need to look at our herbal, our plants and vegetables in the Philippines. Ano ba ang pwedeng makatulong sa health natin? And during my research, two major plants na realize ko na napakaganda pala. The first one is curcumin in Luyang Dilaw. Okay? So we were studying curcumin in Luyang Dilaw, and also the resveratrol antioxidant from grape seed extract or grape extract. Meron din yung grapes, meron mas marami sa seeds. So alam nyo ba, a lot of our plants, meron yung tinatawag na phytonutrients, and these phytonutrients have medicinal value. So you gather all of this data, okay, and you come up with the best extract or plant extract available in the market. Alam nyo ba ang ginawa ni USANA? So USANA gathered all this data and did their own research kung anong plant ang best. And they extracted this active component, like for example, curcumin, and yan po ang nilalagay dun sa mga USANA products. So, napaka-advanced, no? While we are still studying one by one the different plants in the Philippines, si USANA, alam na niya kung ano ang best active components from plants. Grabe, no? So, that is why I'm so amazed. So ito yung mga usual herbal research going on in the Philippines. We're trying to look at ano mga components ang maganda para sa ating body that can help in those specific diseases. And alam niyo ba ang lecture ko sa College of Medicine, nagtiteach po ako about mitochondria. Yan po yung battery ng cells natin. Kung may problema po sa mitochondria, nangihina po tayo. And then, I lecture about the cells, the role of antioxidants, enzymes na napaka-importante sa body natin, mga carbohydrates, hormones, neurochemistry, about the brain, and exercise metabolism. These are just some of my lectures na napaka-importante po para sa basic learning na isang doktor, ng isang magiging doktor. And I've been teaching, these are some of my colleagues in St. Luke. So kapag graduation, nagsasama-sama kami, naka toga kami. So itong toga ko na to, ito yung toga ko from University of Florida. So yung mga ibang kasama ko, ito UST, iba-iba yan, may PLM, iba-iba. And this is actually the toga for St. Luke's. And alam nyo ba, this is the 12th batch of students I taught biochemistry and they are graduating on Sunday. Ang sarap po ng feeling kapag professor ka, nagtuturo ka, at the time na graduation ng mga estudyante mo, you are so proud of them. So, when I joined USANA, I decided I will not only teach future medical doctors, I will also would like to teach other people about health. Pero syempre, isi-simplify ko po para sa inyo kasi pag doktor, mas scientific. Pag sa inyo, I will try to simplify para mas practical yung approach. So, while teaching in St. Luke's, I was hired to put up a laboratory, the first nutrient testing facility in ASEAN region. And what this laboratory does is we test if a patient has the right amount of vitamin and minerals para maging healthy. Sometimes kasi po may isang pasyente darating sa isang doktor, hindi malaman ng doktor kung ano ang problema. Kasi tinest na lahat, lab test results normal, pero may nararamdaman yung pasyente. And then, that's the time the doctor sends the samples to us, baka meron pong specific vitamin or mineral na kulang yung pasyente. So, this is our laboratory. Pakita ko lang po sa inyo. Okay. I resigned in 2021, pero I'm still promoting this lab kasi napakaganda po ng facility na to. Can I share? I hope mag-play.
We are Metametrics, the first specialty clinical laboratory with the most comprehensive
Yes,
nutrient
Doc.
diagnostics and environmental toxicity testing in the ASEAN region. We set a new standard in nutrient testing and go beyond conventional measures by examining intracellular health. Our nutrient, metabolic, and environmental tests provide clinicians with accurate information to assess health at a cellular level. Our diagnostic capabilities include testing for micronutrients and macronutrients, heavy metals and toxic elements, organic acids, food and inhalant allergies, and food sensitivities. Our team is composed of highly skilled chemists that are internationally trained in using protocols developed and benchmarked with the European Laboratory of Nutrients, one of the pioneers in nutrient testing. Using industry-leading technology and validated analytical methods, our specialists ensure accurate and precise test results.
Doc Chari, parang
Ayan. So, yan po yung aming laboratory. And the main reason why the laboratory yes po. Nawala yung aking sound.
Okay na, Doc.
Nawala yung sound ko. Share ko ulit Okay. Check ko muna yung ating chat. Baka may question. Okay na? Okay na. Yes, okay. So, share ko ulit. Okay, so the reason why we put up this laboratory is because of this article, no. When we have deficiency in specific vitamins and minerals, nagkakaroon po ng chronic diseases. Insufficient vitamin intake is a cause of chronic diseases like diabetes, cardiovascular disease like heart disease, cancer, and osteoporosis. Yan. So, doctors abroad, lalo na sa Europe, Canada, and US, know and realize that it is important for us to measure the amount of vitamins and minerals sa dugo. Kasi pag deficient po yan, pag may kulang yan, nagkakasakit ang isang individual because these vitamins and minerals are crucial in various processes inside our body. So, kulang ka lang pala ng certain mineral like magnesium, pwede kang magkaroon ng depression, pwede kang magkaroon ng cancer eventually kasi this mineral is very crucial for DNA repair and also for neurochemistry. So neurochemistry processes for the brain. So there are factors actually leading to inadequate micronutrients. So nung gumamit po ba kayo ng USANA product? Or nag-join kayo ng USANA, anong na-feel nyo nung nag-take kayo nung USANA products, kahit na Cell Essentials lang? Di ba, iba yung feeling natin, we feel energized. Kasi there are factors that are actually depleting us from micronutrients. For example, imbalance nutrition. Dinidiscuss ko po yan sa mga lectures ko sa doctors. Imbalance nutrition, weight-reducing diets, ayan. Pag hindi tama ang kinakain natin, yung mga gulay na kinakain natin araw-araw, are you sure na enough na yan? May eating disorder, panay hamburger, panay french fries, pizza ang kinakain natin, and also extensive exercise. Alam nyo ba yung mga nagmamarathon run? Grabe ang ginagamit niya na nutrients from the blood. And at the end of a marathon run, ano bang feeling nila? 'Di ba? Sobrang fatigue, sobrang pagod sila. Kasi naubos na lahat ang lakas nila dahil ubos na din ang mga micronutrients sa katawan nila. I-define ko lang, micronutrients are the vitamins and minerals na importante sa katawan natin. So when you do a lot of work, when you are stressed, when you are pregnant at nagbibigay ka pa ng extra nutrients sa anak mo, na pag nagbibigay ka ng gatas sa anak mo, you are providing micronutrients sa anak mo, ikaw naman nadideplete. And this is also the reason why some of the mothers after giving birth, anong nangyayari? Nagkakaroon sila ng depression, okay? Postpartum depression, ang tawag doon. That is because the mom is depleted of micronutrients, vitamins and minerals kasi binigay niya lahat sa bata. So hindi lang po buhay ang binibigay ng nanay sa bata, kundi lahat-lahat na yung nutrients niya. So importante yan sa mother to be able to replenish pagkapanganak na mag-take na talaga ng multivitamins. Aging, as we age, hindi po masyadong na-absorb yung nutrients sa katawan natin. There is a problem with the digestion already. So, importante ang micronutrients. And the smoking and alcohol abuse also cause inadequate micronutrients. Alam nyo ba na ang mga iniinom nating gamot, pwede ding mag-cause yan ng depletion ng vitamins and minerals. So, you can ask your doctor, okay, or you can search online, ano ba ang nadideplete pag umiinom tayo ng antibiotics, statins, metformin, proton pump inhibitors, yung kapag may hyperacidity tayo, binibigyan tayo ng proton pump inhibitors ng mga doctors natin, and birth control pills. So you can check out this book, Drug Muggers, which medications are robbing your body of essential nutrients. So sample na lang. So sino sa inyo nagtitake ng statin? Alam mo ba, nadideplete ka ng vitamin E? Mga bile acid sequestrants, ito, ang dami nadideplete. Mga blood pressure drugs, beta blockers, calcium, ACE inhibitors, zinc, diuretics like hydrochlorothiazide. Umiinom ba kayo ng losartan, hydrochlorothiazide? Nadideplete po kayo ng folic acid, vitamin B6, calcium, and magnesium. So, yung mga gamot pala na binibigay sa atin ng mga doctors, ginagamot niya yung symptoms, pero prolonged usage of this medication, nadideplete pala yung certain nutrients sa katawan natin. Kaya minsan, merong lumalabas na ibang sakit later on, di ba? So we have to be careful with that. And also, okay, sa Pilipinas, alam nyo ba, yung mga adults sa Pilipinas nagkaroon ng survey, there are vitamins and minerals na deficient sa adults sa Pilipinas. So dun sa study na yon, they found out that vitamins, ito kasi yung deficiency, ito yung 100%. So the higher the blue bar, the more deficient sa Pilipinas. So ang pinakamataas ng deficiency, itong iron. Grabe no, iron. Iron deficient ang mga Pilipino daw. Eh ano bang pwedeng gawin para mag-increase ang iron? Kumain ka ng maraming spinach, malunggay, di ba? All those green leafy vegetables. So, they found out that a lot of Filipinos may vitamin C deficiency, thiamine, bioflavin, folic acid, calcium, and iron. Vitamin A hindi na masyado kasi aware ng mga tao na kailangan natin ng vitamin A. And ano nga ba ang kinakain natin araw-araw, di ba? Grabe. Anong favorite food niyo dyan? Ako, donuts and fries. And burger. Actually, lahat ng yan. Gusto ko yan, di ba? So, these actually lack micronutrients. They provide macro, they provide carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, but they do not provide the vitamins and minerals that our body needs. And our cells require these micronutrients. Kailangan balanse. Remember guys, what happens to our cells, summation of what happens to our cells, yan ang nangyayari sa tissues natin kasi group of cells becomes tissues, group of tissues becomes organ system, and the body. So whatever affects the cell, eventually, yung buong body natin will be affected. So alam nyo ba yon? So that is why si Dr. Myron Wentz talaga, iba siya mag-isip. So siya talaga yung doktor na naisip niya, cellular health ang napaka-importante. Sabi ni Dr. Myron Wentz, I recognized many years ago that cellular nutrition is key to helping maintain overall health. I believe with the help of exceptional nutrition, people can live healthy and rewarding life. So, grabe, no? Dr. Myron Wentz talaga, saludo ako sa kanya. Kasi ako isa lang ang PhD ko. Pero si Dr. Myron Wentz, ilan ang PhD niya, no? PhD in microbiology and immunology. Ang hirap kayang mag-PhD, di ba? So, importante, ang sabi ni Dr. Myron Wentz, take good care of yourselves. Kasi in order to live life to the fullest, every cell of the body need nourishment. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. Ito yung macro. Mga proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Ito naman yung micro. Micro are the vitamins and minerals that we get from fruits and vegetables. So, it is advised that we eat a lot of fruits and vegetables every day. Dapat parte na talaga yan ng diet natin. Kasi dyan natin makukuha ang micronutrients. However, ang question is, kumakain ka ba ng gulay at prutas every day, di ba? Diyan natin makukuha ang vitamins and minerals eh. So, importante, the more colorful your plate is, the better. And we feed ourselves, we fuel our life. Alam nyo ba, each of the vitamins na makukuha natin from fruits and vegetables, may different role yan in processes inside our body. So if you look online, mag-search kayo online, bawat isa, vitamin B1, B2, B9, B12, iron, potassium, D, calcium, lahat ng yan, there are more than 13 vitamins and 11 minerals that our body needs. So, importante, bawat isa niyan. Paano pag kulang, okay lang ba yun? Hindi po okay kasi if deficient in amount, some cellular processes will not occur or will be defective and leads to chronic diseases. Halimbawa, ang kotse nyo na lang. Kung kulang yan ng isang napakaliit na tornilyo kasi napabayaan mo, hindi mo pinapa-preventive maintenance, anong nangyayari? Eventually, lumalaki yung repair na kailangan, lumalaki po ang gastos. Pero ang kotse, pwede mo yan palitan. Pero ang katawan mo, hindi mo pwedeng palitan, di ba? So, let's take good care of our body. Iisa lang yan. It's a gift from God. And to do that, we have to nourish our body. We have to nourish ourselves. And bakit nga ba kulang? Kulang ang nutrition na kukuha natin? Because we have poor eating habits, processed food, uncertain nutrient content. Yung kinakain natin ngayon, hindi na kasing nutritious as before. And then, meron po kong tinatawag na free radicals na nakukuha natin from exposure to pollution, chemicals. Yan. Ito po yung mga nagkukos ng free radical damage, stress, pollution, GMO food, poor diet, fast food, pesticides, and so on. So kapag may free radicals daw sa katawan natin, nadadamage ang cells. Alam nyo ba, may ginawang study ang USANA long time ago. Nag-extract sila ng fat na nakuha, burnt fat. Yung burnt fat kasi meron pong free radicals yan. Saan ba natin nakukuha ang burnt fat? Yung French fries, yung mga paulit-ulit na fishball, may burnt fat po yan. Meron pong free radicals yan. So in-extract nila yung burnt fat at in-inject nila or in-expose nila sa mga healthy cells. Alam nyo bang nangyari? Nako, ang bilis mamatay po ng healthy cells. So, importante po, meron tayong what we call antioxidants. Yes, trans fat. So, antioxidants. So, itong antioxidants, makukuha natin from the fruits and vegetables. So, pwede po nating makounter yan, no? Hindi ko naman sinasabi araw-araw, porque meron kayong USANA Cell Essentials, araw-araw na kayo mag-French fries. Ang sinasabi ko lang, okay, at least, no, pwede tayong kumain every now and then, no? Every now and then we have antioxidants that we get from fruits and vegetables or from supplements. And like USANA supplements, na ikukwento ko po mamaya sa inyo bakit the best ang USANA supplements. So, if we have antioxidants, we keep ourselves healthy. Ito po yung picture under the microscope. Okay? So, your best health starts with a better supplement. Okay? Like a nutritional insurance plan. May life insurance po ba tayo? Di ba ang life insurance, if ever may mangyari sa atin, may maiiwan tayo sa mga kapamilya natin. Ito naman iba. Health insurance plan naman to. Kasi hindi tayo sigurado sa kinakain natin. A good daily supplement can fill in the gaps. Minsan kasi, tama yung diet natin, minsan hindi, di ba? Pero paano natin malalaman? So, mas maganda, para insured tayo, let's take a supplement, a really good supplement to fill in the gaps to make sure we get the right amount of vitamins and minerals sa katawan natin para iwas sakit, di ba? To keep our body healthy. Nutritional insurance, tama. Tama po. Ang ganda ng terminology, nutritional insurance. So, a multivitamin at the supermarket or drugstore might provide enough of a basic set of micronutrients to achieve optimal health. Pero ang question ko sa inyo, there is a difference between optimal nutrition at saka RDA. RDA is only recommended dietary allowance. Okay. Recommended dietary allowance is actually just the minimum. So, for example, for vitamin D, ang recommended dietary allowance is 600 IU per day or 15 microgram. Pero a research has shown that we often need higher levels. In fact, in 2011, in-house study of USANA found that kailangan ng 5,000 IU to reach the optimal levels of 40 to 60 nanogram per ml. So, iba po ang RDA. Ang RDA is minimum amount lang po para hindi ka magkasakit, but your health is not at optimum level. If you really want to achieve optimum level, dapat optimum amount of nutrients, which USANA provides to us. Nandun na po yan sa label ng USANA. Ano ba yung optimum? You take the tablets recommended na optimum per day. Yun ang nasa bottle ng USANA. So, a well-designed multivitamin and mineral supplement is made with an understanding of the complexities. So, USANA has 150 researchers, okay, to make sure that we get the balanced nutrition that we need, the optimum level that we need para maging healthy tayo. And Bakit ba, no? Bakit nga ba napaka-importante niyan? Actually, alam nyo guys, talagang yung vegetable and fruits na kinakain natin ngayon, unti-unti na pong bumababa ang nutritional value. In fact, a 2004 US study found important nutrients in some garden crops are up to 38% lower than there were at the middle of the 20th century. Guys, 2004 US study yan. 2024 na ngayon. So, ilang percent lower kaya ang nutritional value ng mga vegetables na and fruits na nabibili natin sa market. So, modern food really lost its nutrient value as habang tumatagal. So, importante. Kaya nga, no, itong slide na to, napakaganda kasi it makes us realize that we need this amount of vegetables and fruits to keep that optimum level of nutrients. So, halimbawa, 18.5 medium oranges ang kailangan mo to achieve 1,300 milligram. But it's quite impractical for us to include all of this in our diet every day. So, what can we do? We get the best supplement available in the market. Kakain pa rin tayo ng tama. But then, to fill in the gaps, sabi nga kanina, to have that nutritional insurance, okay, let's take supplements. And not all supplements are created equal in the market, from the market. So, kailangan i-question natin, is it complete? Is it balanced? Is it potent? Is it bioavailable? Is it safe? Before I joined USANA, hindi ko masyadong tinatanong yan kasi iniisip ko food supplement lang naman yan. Pero grabe no, sa dami ng sakit ngayon, naisip niyo na ba ano ang cause ng mga sakit ngayon? Hindi na siya hereditary, hindi na genetics, lifestyle na. Lifestyle na ang major cause ng mga sakit, hindi dahil namamana mo siya. So let's take charge of our health by choosing the right supplement. And USANA has a really powerful multivitamin supplement. This is our flagship product. Okay. Yes, lack of nutrition or deficiency in multivitamins can eventually cause those chronic diseases. At it is our duty as USANA health advocates to spread that news para kumonti po yung may sakit. So that is why the more people na magte-take po ng really good supplements like USANA, the better po. At USANA po na ang the best in the market kasi bakit? USANA Cell Essentials has a patented technology called Intelligence. So when I was working in a pharma, we were trying to have a lot of vitamins in one capsule or in one tablet. Alam nyo ba, napakahirap pong ipagsama-sama lahat yan. Kasi they will react with each other. Ang mangyayari, kakaproduce mo pa lang, nag-expire na yung multivitamin. But USANA has that technology, okay, to keep all of this together in the Vita antioxidant, to keep all of this together in the core minerals, and to keep this intelligence complex together with the Vita antioxidants. That is the intelligence technology. And when you put all of this together, anong binibigay sa atin? Complete nourishment, all the vitamins and minerals na kailangan ng katawan natin, extra protection against the free radicals. So, sino sa inyo ang exposed sa pollution? Sino sa inyo exposed sa chemicals? And even pag nagsispray tayo sa bahay ng insecticide, and even yung mga ginagamit natin minsan na perfume, may chemicals yan eh. So, lahat ng ginagamit natin, and we are exposed every day, and that can cause free radicals inside our body. Importante po talaga yan. Kaka-lecture lang ni Dr. Alex Delgado the other day, and in-emphasize po talaga niya, ang importante yung antioxidants. And USANA Cell Essentials has that patented technology. Yung kanyang antioxidant capability is 100 times more. 100 times more yung antioxidant capability niya than the other brands kasi because of this intelligence complex. Okay? Masyado na kasing technical kung explain ko, but intelligence complex really provide us with higher amount of antioxidants and renewal of energy. So pag ininom mo to, because our energy production requires a lot of vitamins and minerals, importante po na yung mga vitamins and minerals na to feel that energy. And also the mitochondria, which is affected as we grow old, isa po yan na nire-repair ng ating intelligence technology. So let me show you this video kung gaano kaganda kung gaano kaganda yung mga products ng USANA, really of high quality.
Hello, I'm Dr. Myron Wentz. Welcome to the global headquarters of USANA Health Sciences. In this building, you'll find our corporate offices, which support a huge organization of over 1,000 employees and hundreds of thousands of distributors worldwide. Here you'll also find, and in fact you've found, our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. This is the heart of USANA. This is where the products that are improving so many lives around the world are made. I founded USANA in 1992 with a mission to help create a healthier world. This mission was, and still is, built upon cutting-edge science, extensive research, and the highest manufacturing standards. When you put these three things together, you get outstanding nutritional products that support your health and therefore every aspect of your life. The manufacturing process you're about to see is extensive, complex, and requires a painstaking commitment to excellence. It's one of the reasons why USANA creates the highest rated nutritional products in the world. Everything we do here helps you love life and live it to its fullest.
Grabe, no? So, USANA has a patented technology which would called intelligence. So, ang target nito is we are like talking to ourselves. No? We are speaking the language of the cell. So, pag ininom mo yung isang tablet, it goes inside our body and talks to ourselves. Anong nangyayari? So, this patented technology is a powerful blend of phytonutrients. So, very unique to the health and wellness industry. Alam nyo ba, ang patent na to, na-approve lang siya ng 2017. So, mag-expire lang siya sa 2037. So, wala pong pwedeng pumopya dun sa patented technology ng USANA, which is really about cell signaling. So, pag sinabing cell signaling, talagang it really nourishes lahat ng kailangan ng cells natin para maging healthy. Nandun na po dun sa ating USANA Cell Essentials. And ito po nabanggit ko kanina, the intelligence technology provides complete nourishment, extra protection against free radicals, and renewal of energy. So sino sa inyo yung pagkainom ng Cell Essentials naging high energy? Feel nyo talaga, di ba? Ako talaga, actually before I joined USANA, nagtitake na ako ng Cell Essentials. Nakita ko talaga yung nag-improve yung had stronger immune system, yung energy level ko, iba talaga. So, hindi talaga tayo mahihiya na i-share to kasi it's the best supplement, no? If you really want to take good care of your body, choose the best supplement in the market. And this is an excellent nutritional support for the immune system, for the heart, skin and nails, brain and eyes, cell health and integrity, muscle tissue, metabolism, and energy. And that is why it's the best of the best, no? It has a 5-star rating according to the Comparative Guide of Nutritional Supplements. Yung Comparative Guide of Nutritional Supplements, ikwento ko saglit sa inyo kung gaano ka big time ang librong yan. Alam nyo ba, the head of this study is Dr. Lyle McWilliams. So si Dr. Lyle McWilliams and his team, okay, 6 po silang scientists, and they look at 1,600 nutritional supplements in the market. Okay, they look at this, all of these 16 criteria. Okay, alam nyo ba, from 7 to 16, this involves cell signaling. Okay, maybe yung 1 to 6 meron pong supplement available sa market. Pero yung 7 to 16, mahihirapan po sila dyan kasi this one involves the cell signaling, okay, na makukuha natin from the intelligence patented technology ng USANA. So, nourish, protect, renew your cells. The other supplements available in the market can probably nourish, pero they don't protect you, okay? And they do not renew the cells, okay? So, importante that you take the USANA Cell Essentials if you really want to feel your best every day, okay? Imagine, no, kung kulang po yung antioxidant sa katawan natin, ano bang ginagawa ng free radicals, no? Ang free radicals, nakukuha po natin yan pag lagi tayo stress. Kailangan po na pag stress tayo, may mga emotional problem tayo, may problema sa love life, may problema sa trabaho, may problema sa family relationship. Make sure mag-relax po tayo. Let it go, no? Kasi po, nagpo-produce yan ng free radicals sa katawan natin. At anong nangyayari kapag masyadong maraming free radicals, nagkakaroon po ng oxidative stress. And this causes rusting of our body. Okay? This is why we really need antioxidants. The antioxidants will prevent the rusting of our body due to free radicals. So, ito po yung ating napakagandang video ng Cell Essentials. Ay, ayaw mag-play.
The cells are very intelligent. They can sense. So there are many receptors in the wall of the cells. The communication is both outgoing and incoming.
Any signal that we give to our cell or that they send to each other can have huge impacts on our overall well-being.
We are always trying to upgrade our products. The Essentials is one that constantly receives upgrades. We went through every single ingredient on the label, and is this enough? Is there another ingredient that we can put in that will help with bioavailability or help this ingredient do what it does?
We research to find out what is the optimum doses for each of the ingredients. And it's a lot of work to nail down a specific dose. You have to do the cell study and clinical study.
We were looking at these herbal ingredients that were known to activate antioxidant systems. And so instead of just giving the traditional antioxidants, vitamin C, vitamin E, we have this herbal complex that was
So, explain ko lang po. So, ang sabi ng mga scientists natin from USANA, okay, they did a lot of study, no? Pag sinabing a lot of studies, more than 10 years po yan na study to look at the optimum amount para sa cells natin. At the same time, the other scientist, the last scientist said that they look at, naririnig po ako, okay naman?
Yes po, Doc.
Okay po yung sound ko? Hello? Okay
Yes,
po.
Doc. All good po.
Okay, sige. So the second scientist, yung last scientist na nagsalita, they look at, okay, thank you. They look at the herbal ingredients. Okay. Marami po kasing mga herbal products available sa market and well studied. So they look at these herbal active ingredients, pinagsama-sama sila. Alin ba dyan ang pwedeng mag-increase ng antioxidant, no? Capacity ng cells natin? Alin ba dyan ang pwedeng mag-renew ng mitochondria natin? Kasi habang tumatanda tayo, yung mitochondria po na nababawasan, nadadamage. And you know what? One of the possible reasons ng mga Alzheimer's at saka Parkinson's, nadadamage po yung mitochondria. So, example lang po yan. And that is why we should really choose the best nutritional products in the market. And we have other products, no, isa-isahin ko lang mabilisan. Like for example, Usanimals, ito yung counterpart ng Usana Cell Essentials. And it's really good for our kids, lalo na for ages 2 to 12 years old. For healthy growth and development, healthy immune function, extra energy, and bone support. So, yung pong Usanimals po, iba din yung kanyang iba din yung study na ginawa ni USANA dyan. Para talaga yan sa mga bata. So, importante na provide natin yung mga kids natin ngayon. Lalo na madali silang magkasakit ngayon, no? Napansin niyo ho ba? So, I have pamangkins na nung nagtitake na sila ng Usanimals, bihira na po talaga magkasakit. And we have a lot of supplements na may intelligence technology. Okay? I-mention ko lang, ano-ano ba yung mga may intelligence technology na yan. And we have a lot of products available in the market. We call these optimizers, no? Bukod sa Health Essentials and Usanimals, because each one of us may kanya-kanya tayong challenge sa health. So I really like the BioOmega. Our BioOmega is fish oil concentrate. Ano bang pinagkaiba ng ating fish oil versus other brands? Alam nyo ba, yung BioOmega natin, sobrang concentrated yan. Okay? And a lot of testimonies already na gumanda yung pakiramdam nila, nabawasan yung allergies nila, bumaba yung cholesterol level nila because of the BioOmega. And USANA made sure that our BioOmega doesn't have what we call toxic metals. Kasi yung iba pong available na fish oil sa market, baka po meron po yung toxic metals. This is because the fish oil comes from deep sea fish like salmon, tuna, okay? And yung deep sea fish na yan, matagal na panahon silang nabubuhay sa dagat. At ang ating dagat ngayon, marami na pong toxic metals like mercury and arsenic. And nakakain po nila yan, napupunta sa katawan nila. And when the omega-3 or fish oil is extracted from this fish, napupunta po yun sa capsule. But USANA, pinupurify po niya yung fish oil and it doesn't come from deep sea fish. Galing po siya sa fish na maiksi lang ang buhay. So, mabilis lang po silang nagstay sa dagat. And USANA purified this and made sure na walang toxic metal. So whenever we take this capsule, we are assured that it's pure, it's concentrated, and very effective for our body. And then proglucamon naman, this is for extra protection against COVID and other infection. Kasi this has mushroom, shiitake mushroom. Actually, alam nyo ba, USANA also uses Chinese traditional medicine concept. So, shiitake mushroom, known na Chinese traditional medicine yan. So, nilagay po siya into a capsule format para hindi po siya katulad ng mga nabibili sa Ongpin, ano? Di ba? Minsan, maitim, ayaw mong inumin. So, this one is made available in a capsule format na madaling inumin. And it's very effective for us. So, ang magaling dyan, it has zinc, beta-glucan, and this increases the strength of our immune system. Kumbaga, yung ating gwardiya ng katawan, yung bodyguard natin or yung security guard ng katawan natin, always on alert. Lagi siyang may kape to fight the bacteria or virus na pwedeng pumasok sa katawan natin. So, yan ang proglucamon. Yes po, yung sino sa inyo nakatry ng bumili sa Chinatown ng Chinese traditional medicine, talagang ayaw niyo pong inumin. So, that is why we are excited. USANA is collaborating with Chinese scientists now. There are more products coming out in the market soon with the concept of Chinese traditional medicine. So this is our proglucamon. Very effective po yan. So feeling nyo, pag pupunta kayo sa hospital or sa isang place na sobrang dami ng tao, at mataas ang COVID na naman, make sure you take proglucamon. Yes, pang-optimize po ng security guard sa katawan natin. That is our proglucamon. So this one has also a patented technology and that is intelligence beta-glucan complex. Ibig sabihin, a lot of technology behind, a lot of scientists did a study before this came out in the market. Di ba nakaka-proud? Imagine mo, branded ang ating iniinom, no? It's with technology, kumbaga BMW ng mga supplements. And so the beta-glucan complex supports normal immunity, keeps our immune system awake, ready to fight. And we also have policy policy naman, the science behind it it keeps our vitamin C at vitamin C level sa blood at a longer period of time. In addition, meron siyang kasamang antioxidants. So mas protected tayo, plus mas marami pa siyang antioxidant. And also it doesn't cause gastric irritation. Yes, the USANA is the BMW of the supplements. And let's take good care of our body with this high quality supplements. Ito favorite ko, Proflavonous C100. So, in Proflavonous C100 has grapeseed extract. Alam niyo ho ba, sa Italy daw, bibihira ang may sakit sa puso or cardiovascular disease because they eat a lot of wine, di ba? So, what USANA did, they focus on grapeseed extract kasi ito yung mas maraming resveratrol. And this has 50 times more powerful antioxidant capability than vitamin E and 20 times more powerful than vitamin C. So pag ininom mo yan, yung bara-bara sa mga ugat natin can be eliminated or magi-improve po yung flow ng dugo natin sa ating mga veins. This promotes better blood circulation and blood pressure, okay? And also, since nag-i-improve po yung blood circulation, yung vitamins and minerals na iniinom natin from our supplement, mas nadidistribute po yan sa katawan natin, including the skin. So, ang nangyayari, yung skin natin gumaganda din when you take the Proflavonous C100. And then, Coquinone 30 naman is for those na madaling mapagod. Kasi habang tumatanda po tayo, yung capacity ng katawan natin to produce coquinone is bumababa. So habang tumatanda, take coquinone para po yung heart natin can really pump the supply of blood all over our body. So it also enhances fertility, promotes better hormone function, and helps fight heart disease. So yung mga supplement po ng USANA, kung gusto natin faster ang recovery natin, kailangan po, dagdagan po natin ng Coquinone 30. Yan. So, it provides power. Powerful po kasi, yung Coquinone po kasi is part of our mitochondria. And this Coquinone contains CoQ10, okay? CoQ10 is very important sa energy production ng ating mitochondria. So, as we age, the CoQ10 production capability of our body is decreased. That's why madali tayong mapagod. So if you want to bring back that agility, energy, take the Coquinone 30. And emphasize ko lang, no, the products of USANA has that consumer love seal of approval. Ano ba yung consumer love seal of approval? Ang ibig sabihin no, each ingredient was tested. Grabe, no? Meron ba kayong alam na ibang supplement na each ingredient was tested? Alam nyo ba, pag sinabing food supplement, hindi po tinetest lahat yan. So, malay mo ba, sinabing 30 milligrams ang laman yan, hindi po tayo sigurado pag food supplement. Kasi, pag food supplement, parang hinalo-halo siya and then meron lang criteria para ma-approve siya to be marketed. Pero, ang mga pharmaceutical drugs, like yung mga iniinom natin pang high blood pressure, pang diabetic, yan po yung mga nire-require ni FDA na each ingredient should be tested. So, si USANA, okay, is higher level, higher quality than the other supplements available in the market because each ingredient is tested. Pag sinabi niyan 20 milligram, we are assured that we are getting 20 milligram from each tablet. Kaya consumer love because of the high quality. So our Coquinone 30 is consumer love approved. Okay, Coquinone 30 has received the prestigious seal of approval for purity and label accuracy. Marami pong nagsasabing may CoQ10 sila sa market, but they are not. They don't have the consumer love seal of approval. That means hindi po tayo sigurado na nakukuha po talaga natin yung CoQ10 dun sa mga tablets na ibang brand available sa market. So, ang USANA po, hindi po siya nagre-rely sa sariling testing, sa quality testing niya. Kailangan may third-party validation. Okay? The third-party validation certifies that our products are really outstanding. And next, let's talk about for the digestive health, Hepasil. So, sino sa inyo ang nag-take ng Hepasil para gumanda ang skin at mag-bloom? Side effect lang yan, di ba? Actually, ang Hepasil is really good for the liver. The liver is a very crucial tissue of our body kasi yan ang nagme-maintain ng ating sugar level. Yan din ang nagde-detoxify ng katawan natin. So, importante, no? Kapag marami tayong kinakain na unhealthy food, marami tayong iniinom na alcoholic beverage, pag hindi tayo sure sa nakain natin may preservative, let's take good care of our liver. Kasi liver ang mag-eliminate niyan eh. So kapag sobrang dami ng kinakain natin na chemicals, no, ang ating liver na damage. So Hepasil will help us regenerate, revive, and bring back the health of our liver. So it's good for fatty liver, stone formation, liver cirrhosis, viral infection, and gouty arthritis. So, ang kanyang napakagandang side effect is pumuputi po tayo. Gumaganda po ang ating skin at nag-glow tayo, di ba? And then, we also have digestive enzymes. So, habang tumatanda po tayo, marami pong nangyayari sa body natin at tanggapin na lang natin. So, I'm already 55. So, I'm very thankful with USANA, no? Kasi USANA products can make us look younger and our skin healthier, no? And this digestive enzyme, napakaganda po nito sa mga 70 and above kasi yung digestive enzyme nababawasan sa katawan. So, kapag may kilala kayo na matanda na bloated lagi, let's recommend digestive enzyme, okay? So, this supports the body's natural detoxification, good for people with bloated stomach. Okay. So these are the ingredients of our Hepasil DTX. Lahat po yan napakaganda po sa liver natin. Curcumin, cysteine, broccoli extract, milk thistle, at saka olive oil. Yan. And it's really also good for those with irregular bowel movement. Kasi pag may irregular bowel movement ka, may problema sa digestive system mo. Baka hindi mo nadadigest na yung kinakain mo. So, you can take this 3 times a day, okay? One tablet after every meal. By the way, yung Hepasil DTX naman is 3 tablets per day to keep our liver healthy. Better to take it after a meal. So, the intelligence technology behind the Hepasil, this one helps has the phytochemicals which helps activate the cellular processes associated with supporting your body's cleansing and detoxification. So, yung processes sa liver, okay, na tutulungan, na susupport ng ating Hepasil. And these are the important ingredients at ang napakagandang side effect nito, promotes synthesis of glutathione. So, ang digestion, for digestion naman, we also have probiotics. Probiotics contains 12 billion colony-forming bacteria. Marami po ngayon nang may problem sa digestion. Napapansin nyo ba? And then, mayroon pang colon cancer. And then, do you know that some of the depression is due of young individuals now is also due to lack of balance bacteria in the stomach, in the intestine pala. So this probiotic can bring back the health of the intestine and the gut. Okay. So ang maganda po kasi dito, yung probiotics na to, napag-aralan na ni USANA kung ano po ang effective na bacteria na dapat laging nasa tiyan natin. So these 2 strains of specific probiotic bacteria has shown to survive the harsh acidic environment of the stomach. So kahit dumaan po pa yan sa stomach natin na acidic, buhay pa rin yung bacteria pagdating sa tiyan. So this is in powder form. Bubuksan lang natin yung sachet na yan, tapos pwede pong diretsuhin nating inom. Parang it tastes like candy lang, tapos inom tayo ng glass of water. O yung iba naman, nilalagay sa glass of water. So, ang maganda dito, dairy and sugar-free. And for bone and joint health naman, we have Procosa and Magnical D. So, sino sa inyo ang may problems sa joints? Okay? May rayuma, okay? Merong nagmamanas. Okay? Alam nyo ba, napakaganda ng Procosa sa mga nagmamanas. Kasi it also helps you remove that excess water. So, kung may kilala kang diabetic patient na nagmamanas, napakaganda pong i-recommend ng Procosa. So, Procosa has glucosamine and curcumin from turmeric or luyan dilaw. And it's anti-inflammatory. Okay? The glucosamine, hindi nagkukos ng allergy kasi galing po sa vegetables yung glucosamine ng Procosa. And this one repairs and regenerates the cartilage. Good for bone and joint injuries, cartilage degeneration, and spinal problem. In one of my lecture, actually, Procosa can also increase collagen production. So nakakaganda din po siya ng skin because of the glucosamine. And Magnical D, magnesium, calcium, and vitamin D, okay, is a balanced formula. Yung iba kasing product, calcium lang, di ba? So, importante pala na pagsama-sama mo to, calcium, magnesium, vitamin D, and boron, para mabalance talaga yung calcium sa katawan natin. And importante din po yung magnesium. So this one has also vitamin D3 na a lot of Filipinos are deficient with. So vitamin D3 po, we get it from the sun. Pero sa panahon ngayon, ilan po ba sa atin ang nagpapaaraw? The best time to go out is between 12 and 3 p.m. Pero hindi tayo masyadong lumalabas. So, 10 a.m. pala. 10 a.m. to around 3 p.m. Around 10 to 15 minutes. Pero marami sa atin ayaw nang lumabas sa mainit kasi, di ba? So, this one can help us with our vitamin D deficiency. Tapos, can help maintain stronger bones and teeth, prevents osteoporosis. Meron ba sa inyo nagka-cramp sa gabi or yung kapag matagal nang nakaupo? This is also a very good for you, Magnical D. For our nervous system, Visionex is very effective. It acts as a natural sunglass to protect eye from harmful UV. Lalo na ngayon, nasa harap tayo ng computer, ilang oras in a day, more than 12 hours in a day. And let's protect the eye lens. So this one helps improve visual performance in bright and low lights. And even those with cataract, pwede pong mag-improve pa ang vision. It's also good for those with glaucoma because of this powerful combination of lutein, bilberry extract, and zeaxanthin. And then kapag madali naman po tayong makalimot, Copa Prime, no? Sino pa sa inyong nakatry na to? Na nitong Copa Prime? It increases our focus, retain, and recall. So lahat po ng products natin na mayroong ganitong bilog, yan po yung may intelligence technology. So may patent po yan. May patent po yan and maraming studies na ginawa before po yan ma-release sa market. Yan. So USANA Copa Prime is formulated with a powerful combination of naturally derived nootropics. Yung nootropics po can support yung focus, recall, memory, and ability to think and learn. Okay po, pwede nyo pong kopyahin yung slides. Galing lang po sa USANA. Actually, lahat po ng tinuturo ko sa inyo, galing po sa USANA. Check out askthescientist.com. Okay? So, pag wala kayong ginagawa, gusto nyo malaman kung gaano kaganda ang mga iniinom nating products. So, go to askthescientist.com. Tapos, itype nyo lang po yung product. Then, marami na pong information na makukuha tayo. So, ang main ingredient po ng Copa Prime is Bacopa monnieri coffee fruit extract So, this is a brain supporting blend that supports and relays the natural production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor BDNF. Usually, mag-i-increase po to kapag nag-exercise tayo. Pero since medyo tamad po tayong mag-exercise, minsan yung BDNF natin napakababa, no? So, this one will support learning, memory, focus, alertness, mood, and thinking, as well as overall brain support. So, para sa inyong ayaw uminom ng Copa Prime, mag-exercise, mag-dancing lang po talaga tayo, and that can increase the BDNF of our brain. Sa mga tamad naman, tamad, or sobrang busy lang naman, huwag naman natin sabihin tamad, no? Sobrang busy lang, why not take Copa Prime? Oh, dapat i-recommend sa mga nakakalimot lagi magbayad. Bigyan nyo na po ng free Copa Prime, baka magbayad. Yan. So, next we have Pure Rest. Ang Pure Rest po, pag hirap po tayong makatulog sa gabi. And then, this one, importante po, you put it under the tongue. Huwag pong inumin, ha? This is sublingual. Ilalagay po natin siya under the tongue. So, alam nyo ba, pag kulang tayo sa tulog, madali po tayong magkasakit kasi bumababa din po yung immune system natin. And it can, importante po talaga sa health natin, bukod sa pag-take ng supplements, importante po ang exercise, tulog, mag-relax tayo, distress, dapat yung cortisol level natin, which is the stress hormone, bumababa pa minsan-minsan. Okay? So, hindi po pwedeng mataas yan lagi. Dapat bumaba. So, yan ang mga lifestyle changes na kailangan nating isipin to keep our body healthy. Yan si Copa Prime na gustong-gusto. You can also recommend this sa mga magbo-board exam. O yung mga estudyante na madaling makalimot, kailangan ng extra support ng Copa Prime. And we also have ProCalm and Calm Response. Actually, wala na po itong Calm Response. We still have ProCalm. Pag gusto nyong medyo kumalma, di ba? So, let me show you some real mga testimonies. Naku, 8:20 na pala, no? Napasarap ang ating kwentuhan. So, mabilisan na lang po to para naman makita nyo kung gaano kaganda yung mga products natin. So, meron pong mga testimony about mild stroke na tulungan. Ito po yung mother ni Mentor Arnel, mild stroke in 2013. Naku, ngayon, batang-bata na po itsura ng mother ni Mentor Arnel. And nakakatulong po siya sa mga mayroong problems sa fertility. Halimbawa, ito waited for 11 months, 10 months of taking sana products for fertility na nagkaroon na po sila ng baby. Okay? Disclaimer lang, no, lahat ng papakita ko po sa inyo, these have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. So take note, our USANA products, hindi po siya for cure, no? Ang ginagawa kasi niya, our cells have their own capability to renew and repair. Basta, ibigay mo lang yung tamang nourishment. So, yun po ang nangyayari. We have that natural healing process. Kaya po, ang nangyayari, gumaganda pong pakiramdam, gumaganda yung mga lab tests, gumaganda ang skin, we look younger, no? So, like this one, this is one of our associates in Australia, okay? Ang tagal na niya nagme-medication, nag-take siya ng Cell Essentials plus Proclavanol plus the medication. In 2 weeks time, nag-improve ang kanyang eczema. We also have gout testimony, okay? Asthma testimony. So we always have recommended products. Basta simple lang po walang masyadong complication. Meron po tayong guide, meron po tayong guidebook kung anong mga products maganda for each disease. Eye health testimony, Visionex. Naku, alam nyo ba yung mother ko? Binigyan ko lang ng Visionex at hindi na po natuloy ang kanyang cataract operation. Trigger finger, okay? And diabetes. So this diabetes patient, yung kanyang HbA1c within 6 months nag-improve from 8.2% to 4.7%. Naging normal na. Kasi ang normal is 4.0 to 5.7. Yan. And we also have PCOS and ovarian cyst patient. Natutuwa ako, I have this user na nag-take lang siya ng Cell Essentials and nagulat yung kanyang OB-GYN na pagka yung after several months, in-ultrasound niya, nawala po yung mga yung mga cysts po na nakikita sa kanyang uterus. Yan, yung mga parang ubas-ubas na nakikita. So tinanong siya ng kanyang OB-GYN anong ininom niya. Sinabi niya ang difference lang naman daw, nag-take siya ng Cell Essentials. And yan, polycystic yata ang tawag doon, no? Polycystic ovaries, tama. Polycystic ovaries, nawala po yung polycystic ovaries niya because of Cell Essentials. And then this user also polycystic ovaries and myoma. And we also have product testimony, diabetes, high triglycerides, and cholesterol. This is the father of Mentor John Bais, no? Nag-improve talaga yung kanyang sugar level, yung kanyang triglycerides, at saka ang kanyang cholesterol level. Nag-normal po. Yan. At after that, nakapag-join pa po siya ng marathon. Yan. So, ito po yung yung pinakita ko kanina, after 5 months, taking USANA, normal sugar level, 8.2% to 4.7%. So, ito naman po yung parents ko, medyo hindi ko pa na-update, no? 86 years old na si father. This coming Thursday, birthday pala ni father, mag-86 siya. Tapos si mother naman, nag-81 siya noong January. So, marami po, syempre, as we grow old, may mga sakit, no? So, yung father ko, meron due for operation sa kidney stones, enlarged prostate, at saka, so, due for operation siya before the pandemic. And then, nung medyo okay na, binalik namin siya sa doktor, hindi na po siya pwedeng maoperahan due to age and heart condition. So, pumayag naman po yung doctor niya that we maintain his health with USANA products. So, right now, he's taking Cell Essentials by Omega, Prof. C, Magnical D, Procosa, and Palmetto. Alam niyo ho ba, yung kanyang creatinine, no, normal prostate, and can still walk without a cane kahit may severe arthritis siya before. So, nakatulong po talaga sa kanya yung Procosa at saka Proflavonol C sa kanyang severe arthritis, plus Cell Essentials. And then yung mother ko naman, may osteoporosis, high potassium, and phosphorus, low calcium, problem with digestion, and cataract. So ito po yung kanyang USANA products. So, bawat product po, napakaganda. Pinag-aralan po talaga ni USANA. So, we are confident that really safe for our family members, for our friends. In fact, sabi po ng mga doctors ng parents ko, mahal po yung USANA pero napakaganda po ng mga products ng USANA. So I'm very thankful, no. Iba yung mga doctors ng parents ko. They agree that USANA, we have the premium supplement that can really make a difference sa health natin. So 55 na pala. Hindi ko nga na-update ang aking slides. So, USANA user since 2019. So, I'm very thankful. That's why I always recommend USANA because iba talaga ang pakiramdam. Halos hindi ko na-feel yung mga symptoms ng menopause, no? Until now, maganda pa rin ang skin, diba? So, alam yan ng mga coaches and mentors natin at saka mga matagal ng USANA, nag-take ng USANA products. So last na lang, no, if you are concerned with your weight, kasi maraming sakit na pinagmumulan ng overweight and obesity. Lahat ng nasa picture na yan. In fact, according to survey from July 2021 to 2022, ang dami pong Pilipino, no, 38.6% of adults aged 20 to 59. Ang dami pong overweight. Obesity rate in the Philippines 2021 to 2022 by age group. Ang taas po, no? Ay, hindi masyadong nakita yung ano. So, importante, once you gain weight, marami pong sakit na lumalabas. So, USANA has Nutrimil, Nutrimilk can help us achieve the weight that we need to have that normal body. And it's a balanced meal replacement drink. We just put it in a shaker, okay? 3 scoops lang, ready to go pag sobrang busy tayo instead of mag-order tayo from Grab na unhealthy food. Napaka healthy po nito. It's low glycemic, 256 calories lang per 3 scoops. And kaya naman marami po talagang nag-succeed in using this Nutri-Meal for healthy weight management. So, i-fast forward ko na lang po. So, bakit nga ba, no? Ang konting weight lang, no? Alam nyo ba, this is 5 pounds of fat. And this is 5 pounds of muscles. So, mag-lose ka lang ng 5 pounds. Alam nyo, ang laki na ng difference. Ang laki na ng difference sa ating shape, di ba? So, ako po, tumaba ako ng pandemic, no? So, nag-join po ako ng 28 days challenge ng USANA. Day 28, yan na po. Yan, so, ito din po yung kasama ko. Sa lagay na yan, hindi pa kami nanalo. But, kitang-kita na po ang ebidensya. We have a lot of users and associates who joined. Yan po ang before and after for the 28 days challenge. Remember guys, once na na-achieve mo ang normal weight mo, mas magiging healthy ka kasi habang tumataba po tayo, yung taba, kino-cover yung mga tissues sa internal organs natin kaya hindi nagba-function properly. Imagine niyo na lang yung pancreas niyo, yung kidney niyo, yung liver niyo natatabunan ng taba. Ano pong mangyayari sa health natin? So, let's take charge of our health, no? Yan po yung mga sample. And hindi po talaga tayo mapapahiya sa USANA. Imagine, napakadami pong medical practitioners ng USANA. So this was during APC, Asia Pacific Convention in Malaysia. Tinawag po lahat ng medical practitioners ng USANA. Ito po yung umakyat.
Missing ka po. Tsaka Doc Eves.
Researchers in medical field. Lahat po umakyat sa stage na po hindi na po magkasya. So, why are the medical practitioners and doctors here in USANA? No? Kung hindi po napakaganda ng products natin. Yan. So, medtech, nutritionists, researchers in medical field, lahat po umakyat sa stage. Nako, hindi na po magkasya. So, why are the medical practitioners and doctors here in USANA? No? Kung hindi po napakaganda ng products natin. Yan. So, these are some of the doctors that we also have. Mabilisan ko lang pong pinaste kanina. So, Dr. Roland Madela is the head of research po, one of the scientists po, head of the research ng USANA sa Salt Lake City. And ayan po siya, Pilipino, no? And doctor, graduate of PGH. Si Dr. Michelle Agustin naman, graduate of St. Luke's pediatrician. Si Doc Alex, our oncologist, you will hear from him a lot. Nagle-lecture din po siya. And then si Dr. Yves is a friend of Dr. Alex. Both are graduates of PGH. So, sabi nga dun sa USANA Health Symposium, the rational use of nutritional supplements combined with a healthy diet will contribute substantially to you only have one body. Let's be obsessed with the health of ourselves. And with that, thank you very much. And I'll bring back the stage to our beautiful host, si Coach Lyra.
Ayan, grabe. Thank you so much, Doc Chari. Sobrang liglig, siksik, umaapaw talaga pag ikaw ang nag-train, no? And hindi na rin namin napansin yung oras actually kasi sobrang na-enjoy namin. And sobrang ang daling intindihin kapag si Doc Chari ang nag-talk. Ayan, so Guys, let us unmute, no, and give our deepest thanks to Doc Chari. Thank you so much, Doc Chari.
Thank
Thank you so much,
Thank you so much,
Dr.
Doc.
Thank you so much
A lot.
Thank you, Doc Chari.
Thanks, Dr.
Chari.
Very well ito.
Thank, thank you,
Thank you
Dr.
so much,
Jerry.
Doc.
So thank you, Doc. Siguro we'll be entertaining two questions siguro. So, ayan guys, kung sino yung gusto na magtanong, ayan, okay, go Ate Delia.
Question.
Go ahead.
Hello,
fire
Doc
away, Ate.
Chari. Hello, Doc Chari. Thank you very much for that very insightful na talk. I just wanted to ask kasi yung about sa sa Procam at saka sa Procam at saka sa yung isa Pure
Hello po.
Rest. How young po yung pwedeng mag-take ng ganon? Kasi po, the reason why I'm asking is, I'm with a community na meron po ako ding anak na may ASD, Autism Spectrum Disorder. So, I tried yung Procam at saka pero 19 na po kasi siya. So, I just wanted to ask kung how young ang pwedeng mag-take ng Procam at saka yung Pure Rest. And then, ano po yung dosaging niya, if you know? Thank you.
May audio po ba si Doc? Parang wala on my end.
Wala, hindi.
Ayun.
Wala. Wala
Doc,
din sa
nawala
akin.
yung audio. Or parang ano siya? Parang
Ay.
hindi maka-come across.
Coach
Ayan, okay
Bea, ano siguro, yung Procam, I would stick first with the anong edad?
19 na po yung anak ko,
Wala
pero
yung audio
marami
ko.
po. Ayan. Yun pong anak
Okay,
ko,
okay.
19 na.
Okay na, okay.
So, po, pero,
yung Procam, depende din kasi sa bata. Ilang taon na?
yung pong anak ko, 19 na po. So, malaki na siya. Ang naging po namin, yung po,
okay.
kasi po madalas po,
para po sigurado,
madalas po kasi,
we need to ask the scientist. We need to email you sana.
Apo.
Okay lang yun. Sa 18 and above siya. Oo. Hirapan ba?
parang hindi ko na,
Okay,
parang
okay na. Okay na.
garbled.
Sorry,
Ayan
inoff
po.
ko na lang yung isang gadget ko. So, let's mag-message po kayo sa akin. I'll try to email as the scientist sumagot. Then
Sige
ibigay
po.
ko po sa inyo yung sagot. So, Procam, garble pa rin.
Apo.
Wait lang po.
Parang,
Okay, paano ko yun? Okay na?
ayan, parang okay na. Okay, parang
Okay
okay
na.
na
Yes,
po.
Doc.
I
Parang
will
natadelay
email na lang for you
Natadelay lang
and
yung
I'll
audio.
ask about anong age ba pwedeng mag-take ng Procam at saka Pure Rest.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kasi
Yung
Doc,
yung Bi-Omega, kahit anong age po pwede siya. Yung Bi-Omega
Apo.
natin. Oo,
Apo.
pati po yung probiotics.
Apo.
Nagkaka-delay. Bakit kaya? Kasi nasa Pasig po ako. Nasaan po kayo?
Pero okay naman, Doc. Naririnig naman. Medyo
I-off ko
naririnig
kaya
naman.
yung aking video muna. Off ko muna yung video ko for the questions. Okay. So,
Sige po.
I will ask the scientist kung anong age po. Yun. And then,
Sige po.
ibigay ko po yung
Kas-
sagot kay...
Thank you po. Tapos po kasi po
okay.
normally
Sige, sige. Sige
kasi
po.
po normally yung mga bata po
Thank
na
you.
nasa spectrum ay
Baka
ano
may,
ba
may
naririnig
konting
ba?
delay. Oo nga eh.
Go lang, Ate Bea. Nade-delay lang
Ayan.
yung audio.
Ay sige. Kasi po according to studies kaya po yung mga anak namin hindi po talaga natutulog kasi po yun daw pong production ng kanilang melatonin
Opo.
is very parang hindi daw po sila talaga
Okay naman po.
nakakapag-produce ng
Go lang, Ate
ng
Bea.
melatonin.
Nade-delay yan.
Yeah, ng melatonin kaya po talaga yung anak ko po before po nagte-take ng kahit po pagka yung melatonin na over the counter as in nalalabanan niya pa rin po. So hindi pa rin siya kaya po nagtry ako nitong melatonin. Natutulog po siya mga pinakamaaga po is
Okay.
4 o'clock ng madaling araw. Pinaka is 7 o'clock po ng umaga.
Meron po bang dosage na binigay yung doctor?
Wala pong hindi po siya
Meron pong dosage
talaga.
na binigay yung doctor?
Wala naman po. Wala pong hindi po ako kaya nga po humahanap ako ng as in pure and natural supplement for him. Kasi po hindi din kami ganon kadaling pumunta sa doktor para po magpa-check dahil po sa sensory issues.
Okay. So, sige po, tanungin na lang po natin. Then, mag-feedback po ako.
Ayan, thank you so much, Ate Bea, for that question. And actually, right now, Ate Bea, di ba tama, nag-improve naman na yung condition with the products that we're using? Ayun. So, malaki po ang naitulong, Doc Chari, actually, ng products na ginagamit natin. I think yung question ni Ate Bea is really more on for other ASD moms din kasi yung anak niya yung pinakamatanda in the group. So, the rest of the children with ASD in their group are mga pa talaga mabababa
Bata po.
yes yun.
Mm-mm.
Ayun lang, thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Doc.
Thank you so much, Doc Chari, for answering that question. And ayan guys, one last question. Sige, you can raise hand or unmute. Let's see, hold on. Ayan, may question daw sorry. Let's see. Si Yodge. Okay. Okay, hold on. Ask to unmute and add spotlight. Ayan. Fire away. Doc Chari, unmute ko yung isa mong device, no? Sige, hold on. Okay.
Hello po, good evening.
Hello po.
Hello po. I'm from Cavite. Meron po akong user ngayon. They believer na sila ng USANA for the past 12 years. I think they're using Cell Essentials talaga. Pero just today, nag-deliver ako sa kanya ng Purest. Supposedly, kukuha siya ng Magdical D sa akin, saka what do you call this, Hepasil. So, I don't know if it's okay. Kasi I have a lot of patients. So, I don't know if it's okay. Kasi I have a lot of patients. So, I don't know if it's okay. So, I don't know how would you address yung concern kasi daw niya sa medical leave because she was, I think, influenced by this doctor. I think you know Barbara O'Neill from the States. Because she's telling me na, Nora, I have doubts with medical leave. She doesn't have any doubts with self-sanctions because she's a believer for like 12 years. So ang concern niya sa medical leave because she heard Dr. O'Neill saying that, you know, hindi daw maganda yung calcium for the body because siya pa yung it hardens the bones. Kaya nga daw, pag nagkaka-age yung tao, ang tendency niya, nagkakaroon siya ng osteoporosis. Kasi sabi ko, calcium is actually very important for bone health kasi I'm trying to explain the product ng Magnical D. So, sabi niya, Nora, so actually, dala ko na yung Magnical D tsaka yung Hepasil. So, hinold niya kasi yung sabi niya, parang ayoko munang i-take yung Magnical kasi sabi yung calcium is not good for the bones. So, well, I respected her. And then also another concern with Hepasil, how would you explain, kasi sabi ko, I'll get back to you regarding Hepasil kasi siya, may concern din siya sa liver. So, meron siyang neuropathic doctor. And then she was given this supplement from Max International. But when I check the product, yung content lang ng Max GXL is only N-acetylcysteine. So I researched the product. It's only for glutathione. So sabi ko parang antioxidant lang. So ang Hepasil kasi sabi ko, it supports the liver itself in its function to detoxify the body. So sige nga, Doc, you educate me, and because the next time we're going to visit her, because I'm checking on her every now and then, how would I explain to her calcium issue? Because apparently she was influenced by this Dr. Barbara O'Neill, and then the Hepasil. So because actually dala ko na yung Hepasil tsaka yung Magnical, so pinahold lang sa akin because of these two issues. But aside from that, gumagamit siya ng Procosa, ng Coquinon, Biomega, and then the rest. Actually, so far, maganda. Pures is very helpful kasi nagkaroon siya ng slip disc, lumbar sciatica. I think that's the same as slip disc. So Pures is very helpful. Kanina nag-repeat order siya 2 bottles because nakakatulog siya because of the Pures. So yun lang yung concern niya, yung Magnical D tsaka yung Hepasil. Yun lang po, Doc. Kanina nag-order sa 2 bottles. So, yun lang yung concern yung Magnical D saka yung Hepasil. Yun lang po, Doc.
Okay.
Hello po.
Ay, nakamute na naman yung aking gadget. Okay, nakamute yung sa kong gadget. Pero mas okay na ba ngayon? Mas okay na? Hindi pa rin? Mabagal
Yes,
pa
Doc.
din?
Okay naman siya, Doc. May delay
Mabagal
lang
pa
siya.
din?
Pero once na narinig na namin, tuloy-tuloy na siya.
Okay. Unmute na. Okay. Pero mas okay na ba ngayon? Okay na.
Yes, Doc. Okay naman siya, Doc. May delay lang siya. Pero once na narinig na namin, tuloy-tuloy na siya.
Okay. Sige. Di ako maka-unmute dun sa isa. So, ano na lang, sa regular, ano na lang. So, yung Hepasil has all the phytonutrients na yung Hepasil natin is well studied. You can always check ask the scientist. Nandun yung mga information. Pwede mong ibigay dun sa friend mo since mahilig din siya mag-research. So, hindi ko alam kung yung sinasabi niyang doctor, is she doing research? May clinical studies ba siya to prove? Ang calcium, importante siya. Bakit hindi in fact, a lot of doctors are may supplementation ng calcium na binibigay, di ba? Lalo na pag tumatanda. Kasi nga, pag nag-menopause ka na, kailangan mong nagkakaroon ng osteoporosis. So the magnesium, calcium, and vitamin D, okay, is a combination of these nutrients para mas ma-absorb pa yung calcium to help with the bone requirement for calcium. So just ibigay mo kaya sa friend mo yung Ask the Scientist na link. Mahilig din siya mag-research. And then tell her that this is well studied. You can also kung gusto mo, pwede ding mag-set up ng appointment with the USANA doctors. Katulad ni Doc Alex, si Doc Michelle, actually si Doc J, minsan nagpapa-set up din ako ng appointment sa kanya para may talaga, kasi hindi ako MD, di ba? So I can only explain how good the products are. Pero in terms of yung mga masyado ng nitty-gritty, hindi na ako nagbibigay masyado ng comment kasi hindi nga ako MD. So it's better for you to provide her the link para maintindihan niya, and then kung hindi pa rin siya satisfied, just request magpa-set up ng appointment with Doc J, Doc Alex, yung mga ibang USANA doctors. Okay na?
Ayan. Thank you so much, Doc Chari. I think okay na kay Yoch. Tama ba yung name mo? Oh, baliktad siya.
Baliktad siya. Actually, that's the name of my husband. I'm
Sabi ko
Nora.
na eh. Ayan, Nora. Okay, Nora and Joey. Okay, ayan. So, thank you so much for asking that. Actually, nakikita ko rin yung video ng doctor nga na yan. Tapos sabi ko, grabe, parang very kabaliktaran yung itinuturo niya.
Yeah.
And,
grabe nga yung grabe yung influence niya dun sa friend ko. Kasi sabi ko, believer na sila ng USANA for the past 12 years. But because of this video that she watched, biglang sabi niya, calcium daw is parang semento, it hardens the bones, kaya daw nagkakaroon ng osteoporosis. Sabi ko, oh my God. So, sabi ko, sige, I'll talk to muna to the right people who would address this kind of concern. Sabi ko, since I'm new to USANA, bago pa lang ako. So, pinag-aaralan ko din.
Tama po. Talk to the right people talaga. Kaya best po to schedule an appointment with our medical professionals, mga medical doctors talaga na part of USANA.
How can you do that? Like, paano siya mag-coordinate?
Message mo ko, Coach. Message mo ko, Ate Nora, after this. So, I can send you the link ng FB nila Doc Agustin or Doc Alex. Kasi they studied nutritionals talaga. So, apart from USANA, general knowledge about nutritionals, inaral nila yun. So, yun. Ayan.
Ayun kasi nanginayang ako dun. Alam, parang, na siya, parang nagkaroon tuloy siya ng konting parang strand of doubt dun sa product ng USANA. Because sabi ko, di kaya parang fake news lang po, tita, na just because of this video that you watch, kasi parang she was telling me, oh my God, in the States, parang Dr. Barbara that was threatened by this big pharmas because endangered na daw yung life niya. Parang may mga death threats na yun. Sabi ko, I don't know, I still have to check. Parang, sabi ko sana, mag-change pa yung mind niya. Kasi kahit yung sa Max Gel, yung tiningnan ko yung parang glutathione enhancer. Di ba? Parang antioxidant lang yung yung N-acetyl na yun eh. Parang, meron na yun sa sa Essentials actually.
Yes.
So, sige po, Coach.
Mas maganda po maidala siya dun sa mga medical doctor part din ng USANA. Ayan, thank you so much po, Miss Nora, no? And also, Doc Chari, thank you so much for answering our questions kahit na struggle sa audio. But we get the gist of what you shared. Ayan. So thank you so much. And guys, it's time for photo op. Ayan. So I would like to invite everyone to open their cameras para makasama po kayo sa picture taking. Ayan. Alright. Sige po. So, Coach Mads, pasuyo na lang in taking pictures. Ayan. So, let's go. If you want to put in reactions, bahala na kayo kung anong reactions. Ayan. Okay, taking photo in 3, 2, 1, and smile. Alright. Okay naman, Coach Mads. Nakuha naman po. Ayan. So, thank you so much again, Doc Chari, for giving us ample time, no, really, this Sunday evening. Even though it's a Sunday, of course, no, it's actually time for Sabbath, di ba? Time for rest, but and time for family. But you chose to share your lecture, share your expertise sa amin tonight, and with grateful heart, we really thank you, no, and ang maibabalik namin sa natutunan namin sa you tonight is really to make the most of it and share more of what USANA can do to other people that we know. Ayan. So talagang gaganahan na kami lalo mag-invite and mag-share, Doc Chari. So thank you so much. And again, everyone, appreciate your time also for coming tonight. And to those who are from different parts of the globe, diba? Different time zones tayo right now. Yung iba, umagang-umaga pa lang naka-plug in na dito. So, this is again a Sunday habit, and always put in your calendar yung ating Sunday Health Talk. So, we'll update you kung ano yung topic natin for next week, next Sunday, and see you tomorrow on our Core Edge Night. So, yun lamang po. This has been your host, Lyra, and this is USANA, your health, your life, your way. Thank you, everyone. Good night.